Hello viewers, let's enable and disable microphone in Windows 11. So first click on Windows button and then click on Settings. Then come to System and then Sound. And now you will see microphone section. So click on microphone or open it. And now this interface appears. At the moment mic is enabled. So let me click Start Test. Now I am recording my voice and after that stop test and now play it. So now I can hear my last voice I just recorded. Now let me go up to disable it and don't allow. Click it. Now the mic has been disabled. Click Start Test. And now once again I am recording my voice. Let's stop the test and play it again. So now there is no fresh voice recorded or previous voice would be played by the window due to disable mic. So let me go up and click allow and now once again the mic is enabled so I can record fresh voice. Thanks for watching.